Christian, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, nais masaksihan ng bayan ng Diyos at ng ating Diyos ang iyong matamis na halik sa iyong may bahay.
All I ever wanted is to be happy, not just for you, but for us. So I want to take this opportunity to say, sorry love sa mga pagkukulang ko sa'yo. Sa mga araw na hindi kita naintindihan. Kabila ng lahat ng mga nagawa ko, mga nagpapayak sa'yo love, I do regret those days. I wish I could have understand you.
So we can fade into the night and you know the world could die and everything may lie, still you shouldn't cry.
Because time may pass and everything will last. I'll be by your side, forever by your side, so you won't cry.
Forever by your side, forever by your side, by your
In spite of all the struggles we had, I promise you that I will always hold on to you no matter what. Your love will always be a beacon I will look whenever I am lost in dark. Iingatan ko ang ating magiging pamilya, tulad ng pag-iingat ko na hindi na ulit kita papaiyakin.
Good morning, sir. Pasign po ako dito. Those were the words I said when I first met you. And that was almost 3 years ago during pandemic.
waiting for this moment my whole life, I swear.
Who would have thought that from sir, now I get to call you mom, and now my husband. Sabi siguro ni Lord, it's time, anak. Siya na yung palagi mong kinukulit-kulit sa akin gabi-gabi bago ka matulog. Bakit ko pa patatagalin?
Back then, lagi mo akong tinatanong kung sigurado na ba ako sa'yo. Ngayon, alam mo na ang sagot. Oo, love, sigurado na ako. I have never felt this sure in my entire life.
At yun na nga, sobrang bilis ni Lord. Ito na tayo ngayon. Nakaharap sa Kanya at nanunumpang magsasama habang buhay.
Gusto kong magpasalamat kay Lord for granting me one of my prayers. Tulad ng ibang couple, sa isang relasyon dumadaan ng iba't ibang struggle. We do have our differences. I know not all relationships is smooth. There are rough sailing also. But as we sail on the sea of married life, mayroon pang malalaking unos at matataas na alon ang ating lalagpasan.
Iiyak, mawawala yung makeup ko.
pagkakaiba nating dalawa, sa isang bagay tayo nagkapareha. At yun ay ang mahal natin ang isa't isa. Life is full of surprises indeed. We made it here, love. And I can't see myself standing here if not with you.
And since I've seen you, I know it's true. Heaven came to me. Our hearts colliding, our lives uniting. The biggest gift to me.
Pag-ibig ang maging sentro ng inyong buhay pamilya. Diyos ang maging sentro ng inyong pagmamahalan sa pagbuo ng isang buo at masayang tahanan.
I would love to listen to you while looking in your eyes, looking at your face, and thanking God, for you are the man who blessed me. I love you so much, love. I love you. I am the happiest now that I am marrying the man of my dreams and prayers. Thank you, Lord God.